Hey friends, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company. I told you guys today I would hop back in here. And yesterday we talked about using Pinterest for your business. And today I promised I would share with you guys how easy it is to create one of the pins that we talked about yesterday. Go back and refresh yourself and listen to that yesterday if you want the overall umbrella of Pinterest and why you should use it for your business. All right, so let's hop in real quick and I'll show you how I create pins and just how easy it is. So we're going to do a screen share real quick here. All right, so if all is working, we are right now at Pinterest.com. Can you guys see that up in the corner? And by the way, I'm up here in the corner. So Pinterest.com is where you want to go. Yesterday, we talked about when you do sign up to Pinterest, all right, create yourself a business account. And you're going to see that listed right here. So all you would do is create a business account and then follow the prompts to get yourself set up. So I do have a business account. I'm going to pop into mine real quick. This is my account right here. And I was just trying to refresh myself and think, how many pins have I ever put up on Pinterest? So over time, I have created 1,566 pins with all the different content that I've done over the years. And there's been times that I really took time to do a lot of pinning. Oh, look, I forgot about that piece. That was fun right there. Pinning on Pinterest. And there's times, oh, that was a good one too. Look at that. We did that door last summer, that before and after, and mermaid tail. See, you forget about all the projects that you've done. So right now I'm working through, for example, pinning on Pinterest. It's one of the things that I have on my list to do because I've got a lot of stuff, a lot of projects that I've done that I have not pinned to boards. Remember yesterday we talked about one of the beautiful things about Pinterest is once you put things on a board, it's there for people to search forever as long as that link exists, okay? So anyway, lots of projects that we've done here. It goes back over the years. All right, so I'm gonna really show you now, up in the corner when you do have a Pinterest account, if I move this up here, yay, there's a little plus symbol. Can you guys see that right there? That is how you add a pin. So all you do is click that, and then you get this screen right here, okay? And this is how you publish a pin. So your picture that you wanna thumbnail, right, that you just kinda wanna pin out there on the internet of what you've done, all you would do is hit the plus symbol right here, or the arrow. Let's find something that I have saved here on this laptop real quick. I pulled a picture of Woodland Fairy, I think it was yesterday, for a lady who I was talking with. And so why not stick that one up here, okay? So it's the Woodland Fairy Junk Monkey paint, and I'm showing what the color looks like. It's just, you know, a plank, a board that I painted. So what I can do right now is upload the photo, add my title, and I can call it if I want. I can call it anything I want, but I can say Woodland Fairy, spell it right, Junk Monkey Paint, and I can say right here, let's see here. I can say furniture paint that you don't need to sand, strip, all right? Actually, let me change that up. I'm gonna say something like, just grab a brush and go bananas on your next frowny furniture piece. A beautiful green, I'm gonna say a beautiful yummy green color. Yummy green color for your projects. All right, take the time. Put whatever you want in here. If this was a picture of a project, then I'd probably describe it was a green dresser. This is just a picture of the can of paint itself. So, you know, I can put that if I want, you know, no need to sand, no need to strip, no need to prime. Maybe I'll throw that in. So now if I want to put the link in here, that's going to be important. If you're just putting pictures up on Pinterest without a link, then you're missing the power of Pinterest. So what I want you to do is, okay, what do you want to link that to? So in my case, I'm going to go to my website and I am going to find that color. This is what I always say, when you're on the internet, there's always a web address created above it. So let's go ahead and find real quick the Woodland Fairy. If I wanted to, I could steal the description of how I describe Woodland Fairy in here as well, and I totally missed it somewhere along the way. So we're just gonna type it in the search bar right here on the website and find it that way. All right, so do you see up here at the top, there is a web address that is created, right? So we can just take that address right there. I can hit cut or you know, do your copy paste and put it anywhere. So if I wanted to, I could, for example, use this in my description right here, any of this stuff right here. Actually, I might, just because I can, just because we're creating a pin about the actual product itself. So let me go back here to my Pinterest. Where were we? Where were we? Oh yeah, I got to show you something else as well. I'm going to go back up here. Oh, but it tells me only your first 50 characters are what shows up in feeds. All right. Perfect. All right. Now I wanted to add in that destination link, right? Remember it up here. So I'm going to grab that from the top. I'm going to go back, and that is going to be my link. I'm going to paste it in right there. And now I can go ahead, it's set on to publish immediately, which is beautiful. I can select the board that I want it to go. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this part, okay? So when you create pins, you put them on bulletin boards. So I've got a bunch of different boards that I've created over the years that I keep adding things to. You can change it, the names, change out, you know, the focus. If I wanted to do a complete Pinterest board with nothing but green painted furniture, that would be a great idea. There's a green piece right there I did. Let me just go ahead and publish it to this one right here, to a shabby furniture board that I've created. And now I've created a pin. You see how it says promote pin? Because I have a business account, if I wanted to, I can pay for ads to promote my pins to show up into feeds when people are searching for it. And I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So let's head over here. Okay, so when I showed you, when I showed you guys this screen right here, it had all the pins on here. You can see how you can switch between what you've got going on here. So these are different boards that I've created right here with different pins onto them over the years. You can create whatever sorts of pins you want to, or any sort of boards you want to create. And when you're on Pinterest, you're pinning stuff onto boards, right? But this is what I wanted to show you guys here. This is the main, like when you go to Pinterest, it says search for easy dinners and fashion. This is why DIY and lifestyle, anything to do with like visual stuff is really, really appealing, because, you know, if we're makers and creators, we're putting stuff out there that can really attract people, right? So if I want to draw attention to green furniture paint, well, all I got to do is put some pictures up of beautiful green furniture, and people go, oh, you know what? I think I want to paint my buffet that color. And then they'll follow the link, and where does it go? Right to my website, right? So this is how you use it as a search engine. And how do you lead people there? It is by putting up pictures that attract people's attention. So maybe, for example, if I wanted to do if I had an armoire and I was looking for example, let's use this as an example. Do you see this armoire right here, or the old cabinet here? Let's pretend, I don't know if this was in an entertainment center or not, but you know, right now a lot of people have those big entertainment centers, and they're not sure what to do with it. So I typed in repurpose, entertain, and it starts to give me ideas already. Let's just say I go on here and I'm looking for ideas. So I click it, and it's going to bring me up pins that other people have done, right? And then I can search around, get ideas for what I want to do. And let's say, for example, I see something that I really, really love. I can click the link. Let's search for repurposed buffet flower planter. See if mine will show up. And there it is right there. That's the one that I did, right? So if this is the main view of Pinterest right here, right? This is like the overall, you know, when you're searching for stuff, you're seeing everybody's stuff come up. And somebody looks at that and they go, oh, wow, I really like those. I love those flower pots. I love the planter. If they click it, do you see where the arrow leads? It leads right to, let's see where I sent this to. I sent this one to, let me see here. I sent this one to Junk Monkey Paint. So this picture here will take people to Junk Monkey Paint. There are also pictures that I put up, multiple pins. We talk about repurposing and taking different photos and having it lead different places. I also have some pictures of this that's different that also will lead people to a YouTube video of me painting it, right? So it can take people there different ways. And it all leads back to home. It all leads back to you. So real easy. So let's use an example of this, chicken soup recipes. So we know that when people blog with a B, or V with a blog with a video, that we've talked about in here in our group about affiliate links, all those sorts of things, right? Ads, that you can run ads onto your website pages, that when I click any of these, it's going to take me to somebody else's website. Oh, this one says it's taking me to a video. So there might be ones that go to videos. There might be ones that go straight to, say I like that one, that picture grabbed my attention, the power of good photos. It takes me right here to somebody named Holly, and this is her website here, right? And so now obviously she's probably going to be running ads on this website. She might have things like affiliate links, like right there, this here, slow cooker. Oh, she's sending you to her fave slow cooker right here. It could be anything that she might be an affiliate for. So on Pinterest, I would have never found her if I didn't look for that, find a picture that was really, really attractive to me and go, oh, I think that's what I want to make for supper tonight, and go on, right? And so she has, now that I've come to her website, if I really love her content, look, it's linked to her Facebook, it's linked to her Instagram, Twitter, all these up here, right? I can email her, anything like that. So now if I love her content, I might want to go to Facebook and follow her for more great ideas, right? And that is how Pinterest can lead people to you that you don't even know, but they're just searching for something that they want. They like what you're posting, they like your content, and then as a result, they start to follow you. Does that make sense? So there you go. That's an easy roundabout look at Pinterest and just how it could work for your business. So what do you want to create pins about? Is it something that you're working on, you're making, that you're creating? Do you want to, I don't know, whatever it is. I mean, it could be a book, it could be an informational product, it could be a video that you've done about something. So it can be lead people to your website and be words. It can lead people to your social media, whatever you have, you know, whatever you want to send people to right now. So the power of Pinterest and the power of the pin, it's really easy to do. You guys just saw me create a pin. So if anybody's looking for green furniture paint, my pin will be amongst their search results there somewhere, right? It's out there. And that's the whole point of SEO and putting yourself out there. So when people are searching, they can be led to you. And now that that pin is out there, I don't have to do anything else with it. There is no maintenance of it. Easy. Easy peasy, right? And you can also subscribe to people so that they can follow you on Pinterest. So anything that you pin on Pinterest, they get notified in their feeds as well. So play around with it, you know, go take a tour of Pinterest and just look around a little bit and get familiar, because it is a whole lot of fun. And yesterday I told you that the last statistic I read was people spend an average of 15 minutes on Pinterest. And so that's a long time to get sucked into the rabbit hole when you're searching for something and stay on something for that long. So it is very, very addictive. So there's my warning. All right, guys, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Take care, and I hope you work Pinterest into your business strategy. Take care.